Wow, no cross-examination by the defense. All right, let me bring in my guests. I'm joined once again by civil rights attorney Joe Richardson and also joined by criminal defense attorney Josh Ritter. Josh, it's good to have you on the program. Let's talk about what we just heard. You know, I find it fascinating here that this is a witness, this is a plaintiff that is only a part of one of the counts in this indictment, and that is the count 1 invasion of privacy by false light. Again, Alex Jones has already been found liable for that. How do you think his testimony helps support that?
It was incredibly powerful. I mean, here's a man that invokes so much sympathy for the nightmare that he's gone through, continuing to go through, and he can't even mourn in privacy, right? I mean, hopefully none of us ever experience this kind of tragedy in our lives, but if we do, we imagine that we'll have private moments to be able to mourn. This man's life has been flipped upside down, and he can't do that. He talks about how he had no real social media presence, but now he essentially has to live in anonymity, only giving his first name to people when he meets them because I'm no psychologist, but what it sounds like is he's suffering from PTSD, from this kind of ongoing harassment of a person who really had a tragedy take place in their life, and they should be able to mourn that in privacy, but they've been prevented from doing so by the defendant in this case. And I think he's done a very powerful job of explaining that.